To boost a project on the onXRP marketplace, first log on to the marketplace with the designated wallet you want to use. Then, search for the project you want to boost and click on the boost bar. Select whether you want to boost in OXB or XRP, and the amount. If you choose to boost in XRP, the XRP is then converted to OXB and burned. Sign the transaction in your wallet. You can also boost a collection directly from the home page. If the collection you want to boost appears in the banner, click on the boost bar and follow the same steps as before. Boost rankings and accumulations are reset at the beginning of each month to ensure diverse content and fair opportunities for each project.